A message from James to Amanda. I promise you'll always have a friend in me. You and I are a team. I'll never give up on you, ever. I'll be there for you, no matter what. Because some people are worth melting for. The human world, it's a mess. It's a bug world out there, princess. But I promise I'll always remind you to just keep swimming. And that Hakuna Matata means no worries. I promise I'll always want to build a snowman or help you paint with all the colours of the wind. I will always kiss the girl. Oh, sorry. And I will always give warm hugs. I promise I won't give you the smolder. And I'll never feed you a cake that will change you into a bear. I will always remind you that adventure is out there, and I will never stop trying to show you a whole new world, to infinity and beyond. For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of, and my dream wouldn't be complete without you. I promise you will always be a part of my world. You're my Ohana now, and Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. You're the one that I've been looking for, the fairest of them all. I look at you and I'm home. I promise from this day on, now forevermore, you'll be in my heart. I promise, and when I promise something, I never ever break that promise, ever. Cross my heart.
I met James on working in Eastnor. Same as him, you know. I rocked up in my interview, pair of joggers. I think I was wearing a vest that day as well, wasn't I? And he had the full-on suit and shirt and tie, and I was like, look at this geezer over here. But he turned out to be the nicest guy ever, and even though I haven't known him very long, I just had that connection, that click with him. Any problem I've ever had, I've gone to him, and he's always been there for me like a golden retriever, you know. And I'm gonna start crying, honestly. He's an amazing guy, like honestly, top bloke, love you to bits, mate.
I know it means a great deal to Amanda and James that you're here with them today. Every wedding is special, of course, but to see your daughter get married is something else. Amanda, our walk down the aisle, well, down the middle of the room, this afternoon is a memory I shall cherish. You looked absolutely beautiful in your stunning wedding dress.
Do you give your blessing and support?
I do.
Thank you very much.
With this hand, I will lift your sorrows. Your cup will never empty, for I will be your wine.
With this candle, I will light your way in darkness, and with this ring, I ask you to be mine.
It is with the greatest of pleasure and my absolute honour to be able to announce that you are now husband and wife.
I didn't think you could look any more incredible. any more incredible, but yet again you've proven me wrong. I want to thank you for making this wedding a reality. I know how much effort and time you put into every little detail. I did print out a few things and got to play with the glue stick for a while, so you know, I did my bit. So I've just got to say I couldn't be happier. I've married my best friend. I love you, babe. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up, of course. Please join me. Please join me in thanking my beautiful, funny, caring, Disney-obsessed wife, Amanda Beardsley.
To you both, it is worth bearing in mind, neither of you will ever be perfect, but you can be a perfect match. Choke it up. But you can be a perfect match for each other. A successful marriage is not about finding a person you can live with, it's about finding a person you can't live without.